everyone, I'm Ziza from Ohlolly, and I'm really excited to introduce you to our newest kit, just launched today. It's specifically for those moments when you probably wish you didn't have to use it, but you're really glad you have it on hand. It is our Breakout kit. So this kit contains 4 products that are specifically designed to treat irritated skin, inflamed skin, active breakouts, congested pores, all that good stuff, whether it's that time of the month or you're a little bit stressed or a lot of stressed. All of these products are great to have on hand. So let me show you what they are. To start, we have Lapcos' Milk Fuel Cleansing and Exfoliating Pad. This is a single-use pad. It's actually dual-sided, so one side, the exfoliating side, helps get rid of dead skin cells, anything that's clogging or congesting pores, and then the other side is the cleansing side. So it removes all of that, strips it away, and you rinse with warm water. When your skin feels clean and soft, not overly stripped, which is important, just gets rid of the stuff you don't want there. And then following up, we suggest using a BHA toner. We have Benton's Aloe BHA Skin Toner. And as a quick reminder, BHAs, beta-hydroxy acids, work differently from AHAs because these could actually penetrate deeper into the skin, clean out and clarify the pores, anything that's congesting the pores. And the added aloe in this is really great. The aloe is extra soothing, extra nourishing and hydrating, so that feels really nice on some irritated or inflamed skin. We also, just to round things out, have MEDIHEAL's Tea Tree Essential Blemish Control Mask. So this does what it says. It has tea tree extract in it, which, as we know, helps inflammation. And then this also has chamomile and centella asiatica, so it's really calming, really hydrating. This just feels really gentle on your skin if it's just having a day and needs to calm down. So that's why we've included this. And then lastly, something to always have on hand in your skincare arsenal is COSRX's pimple patches. You can think of like little secret band-aids to soothe and to protect the blemishes on your skin and actively heal them. Works really well overnight. One sheet has 24 patches on it, so it'll really last you hopefully a good while. You definitely want to have this kit on hand for when your skin just, you know, we've all been there, and our skin has too. So find this kit at ohlolly.com. We hope you enjoy, and yeah, let us know what you think.